Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's just going to be a short one. In my van, I'm doing some repainting, but first I take all the old hardware and clean it off because whoever painted it the last time just did such a sloppy job. I don't like sloppy, even if it is an old wreck. Yeah, even if it is an old wreck. So yeah, I've got that. I got some hinges I need to clean. And I'm gonna try it out. This method requires, well, first of all, requires some baking soda, right? And a pot. Where'd it go? There it is. And a pot of hot water. The idea is, once this water comes to a boil, what I'll do is I'll add baking soda to it, and I'll put the pieces in there, and then you let it sit there and simmer for about, I guess, 10-15 minutes, give or take. And then get a brush once that's all done, and you should be able to brush that stuff right off. I've even seen it peel right off. So let's see. We'll see how it works. I do believe, yes, we have boiling water. So there's no set amount of baking soda that you need to use, but we're just going to add about yay much. Turn the heat down a little, and these go in. Oh yeah, I've seen them do it. They put them paint down. So let's go like that. This one here. Yep. And we got this one here. So in they go. So I'm going to let this sit and simmer for about 15 minutes. And by the way, if you do this, if you're going to do this, make sure it's a pot that you can't use it for cooking food afterwards. Once you've done this, that pot is destined to be parts cleaner. You don't want to be using it for food afterwards. So, but yeah, give it 15 minutes. We'll see what happens. Cooking nicely. Okay, so it's been almost 15 minutes, but I'm curious to see if it's actually working or not. So, look at that. See that? It's peeling right off. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Let's try one of these other ones. Oh my god, it just fell right off. This is awesome. Pretty thick paint on there, so. Oh yeah, look at that. Just. How is that? It's peeling right off. That's excellent. Huh, cool. Alright, let's just leave that for a few more minutes because that paint's thick. Okay, so they've been in there a good 15 minutes. So let's turn this off. Oh, look at that. Wow. Cool. Wow, it's just coming right off. Yep, look at that. Just peeling off. So it takes a little while, but it sure is better than buying new ones or trying to clean these with brass brushes and all that kind of crap. No way. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Cool. So now, you know how to get paint You know, and it'd be so easy, just like spend 2 minutes to take the part off before painting it. For those of you out there that keep painting these hinges and stuff, stop it. Quit being so damn lazy. Jeez. Anyway, so there you have it. Just cleaning it right off. Time for me to go have lunch.
Estaré contigo.